telephone.
Okay.
Did you like the sound?
Okay. So
Talk to the phone.
this siren was put in service as a mining siren. If any, it was used if anything went wrong in the mine.
Where are we?
And this siren is in Black Diamond, Washington.
Okay.
They
Did I get in the
and
video?
and for me, I mean, and I definitely should, and I. I'm trying to say. Thanks to Black Diamond Museum for letting me sound off their siren. And then
Pretty loud, wasn't
and then a man named Keith Watson
And you know what?
helped. Keith Watson helped
Open it up for us.
it for turning on the electricity to the siren and telling me how to set it off.
Please like and subscribe.
And please like and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And also comment.